Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Near. Daily update. I mean, I covered it yesterday. All right, this is your update from yesterday. Price has been massively bullish. We talked about this. We talked about that we were at a major resistance level and that we could potentially break out. I might have even named the YouTube video "Huge Breakout Incoming" or something. I'm always a little bit clickbaity with that. Hopefully you don't mind. But no, I said huge near breakout incoming, and we got the breakout. This is the 4-hour time frame. Near broke above. Well, it found some resistance at $3, which is obviously, I mean, that's a psychological resistance level. So that's obviously going to that's going to provide resistance, right? But what it did, and yesterday we said the main level to break out for near is 2.75 up to 2.85. 2.85, excuse me, it was a weird talking. So what happens is that $3 provided resistance because of the psychological effects, but we held the main resistance level we had to break above. So all in all, it's very bullish. I mean, right now the market circumstances, to be fair with you, I think they're a bit risky. I wouldn't be surprised if we get one big spike down again, like this one. Well, not like this one, but I just in general, I wouldn't be surprised if something like that happens. More like this, for example. So you should know that. But purely technically, right now, Near is very bullish, and well, a little bit of a notice. I bought Near. All right, so I might be biased. I might only be bullish on Near because I bought it myself. But no, I think the price can actually double from here. I really think so. I mean, if you look at the daily time frame, obviously we still have to get a break on that time frame. But the next level is like 3.5, 3.6, which I also, well, no, 3.3 up to 3.6. So that's the next price target. But ultimately, I mean, Near has fallen so much. There's still so much room for growth. I mean, Near has a great community. It's just purely objectively, it's not as good as other layer 1 blockchains, right? I mean, if you look at Near right now, and the total value locked, it's doing great, but it's under 100 million. All right, so that's pretty low. So Near doesn't deserve to have the same market cap as for example, Cardano or Solana or AVAX, but it does deserve a rally. All right, so that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. Now on the short, and you can, by the way, also, before I forget, you can also see that the open interest yesterday was super strong, and right now has dropped down a bit, but right now it's growing again, and the price has grown even more. So that also means that a lot of spot purchases are coming in, which is great, of course. So yeah, no, I'm very bullish on Near. All right, there's really nothing I'm bearish about. Fundamentally, the project is getting better. The markets are relatively strong. Now, like I said, I mean, the only what could happen is that Bitcoin gets very, very bearish. This is, in my eyes, it's the worst case scenario, that Bitcoin becomes very, very bearish and spikes down and drops down to 40,500. If that happens, Near is correlated to Bitcoin. Not completely, but it is correlated to Bitcoin. So if that happens, Near will just fall back down to 2.5 and probably even lower. But even if that happens, I think fundamentally Near is strong enough to stay down there, but eventually still break above 2.85 and rally up to, well, first of all, my first price target is 3.3 and 3.6. That's also, I think it's more likely we'll just get there in the next couple of days. But even if Bitcoin gets a major bearish breakout and Near starts dropping like a brick, even then I do think we're still going to get there, but then just later. So all in all, I'm very bullish on Near. I'm not sure what else to tell you. I mean, like I said, I might be biased. I bought on spot, all right? So I anticipate the price to still fall down at certain points. But no, I'm in it to double my money. So yeah, I'll keep you updated throughout the way if you're interested in that, of course. But for now, those are my thoughts. So don't forget to check out my premium and Signal group, where I also posted a buy alert on this, which you would have easily been in profit right now. But that's up to you. Check that out if you're interested in that. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.